Welcome students, I am Satish Kumar Sinha, physics teacher. Today we are going to discuss the topic rules for obtaining the images in a concave lens. There are two rules in concave lens. First one is an incident ray of light coming from an object which is parallel to the principal axis. After refraction, it appears to comes from the focus. The second rule is any incident ray that comes from the object passing through the optical center of a concave lens goes out undeviated. It means that any rays which is passes through the optical center will be goes out undeviated, means without any deviation it can be passes in a straight path. Now there are two image formations for the two different positions of the object in concave lens. First is when an object is placed at infinity. In this figure, two rays which comes from the infinity and parallel to the principal axis. After refraction, it appears to comes from the focus f2. So when the object is placed at infinity from a concave lens, the image is formed at focus. And what is the nature of the image? The nature of the image formed by a concave lens is virtual, erect and highly diminished. Second, when we place an object anywhere between optical center and infinity, then image of the object is always formed between optical center and focus of the concave lens. And nature of the image is virtual, erect and diminished. In this figure, AB is an object from point A, the rays which is parallel to the principal axis. After refraction, it appears to come from the focus. The second rays which is passes through the optical center C without any deviation. So when the refracted ray OX that produced in backward direction, it meets at A point. So in this figure, A dash B dash is the virtual, erect and a smaller image of the object. Sign convention for the lenses. There are four sign conventions. In this figure, the rays, suppose which is comes from left to right, that is object is placed left side of the lens. So the direction of incident rays is always from left to right. First is the distances measured in the direction of incident rays are taken as positive. The distances measured in the direction opposite to the direction of incident rays are taken as negative. All the perpendicular height above the principal axis are positive, and all the distances measured below the principal axis are taken as negative. In this way, in the case of concave lens, height of the object, that is HO, and the height of the image HI are always positive. Now lens formula, which is used to solve the numericals. Lens formula is 1 by V minus 1 by U is equal to 1 by F, or 1 by F is equal to 1 by V minus 1 by U, where F is the focal length of the lens, U is the object distance, and V is the image distance. Now, what is magnification of the lenses? Actually, magnification or linear magnification is defined as the ratio of height of the image to the height of the object. What is the formula for the magnification? The formula for the magnification produced by the concave lens or convex lens is M is equal to HI by HO is equal to V by U. Thank you.